Hi friends, it's Maria. If you're interested in learning how to make this delicious and easy lasagna soup for your family, stay tuned. Okay friends, so in a Dutch oven over a medium heat, I added just a little bit of olive oil to brown my ground turkey and 2 spicy Italian sausage links. What I do love about this recipe is that it is completely customizable. You don't have to use ground turkey such as I did or I have. You can use ground beef, you can use sweet Italian sausage, or you can use the spicy or the sweet sausage at the same time with no ground beef or no ground turkey. Here I'm adding minced onion. I minced my onion because my husband does not like to chop down into any chopped onions or big pieces of onion. So I went ahead and just minced it up. He can appreciate the onion taste in the recipes. He just don't like to bite into it. You can also add any vegetables you want to add. You can use peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, green peppers. You can also go ahead and tuck in some spinach leaf. It's just amazing. You can do whatever you want to do with this recipe and it will still be delicious. So here I'm adding my minced garlic. Garlic is magic to recipes. Like, I love garlic in just about everything I cook. It just really brings the whole recipe alive. So I went ahead and I mixed it up really good. I'm adding salt and I'm adding peppercorn pepper here. So yeah. Yep, black peppercorn. So moving on, so after the meat brown some cooked really well, I go ahead and I add my marinara sauce. Don't worry about the liquid that's in the bottom of the pan. It's fine. It'll just mix in very well. Now it's time to add my crushed tomatoes. Like I said before, it's customizable. You don't have to use the crushed tomatoes. You can use diced tomatoes, or you don't have to use it at all. So you're going to see me add some sugar to this recipe, and it doesn't sweeten it at all. What it does do is help blend all the flavors together and get the best flavor explosion on your taste buds. As possible. But right here I'm adding the Italian seasoning as well as some parsley and some red pepper flakes. All of these things together, guys, is delicious. As always, flavor to your taste. You don't have to use these seasonings. You can just use whatever you like. I dropped a bay leaf in just to add more flavor. Here's that sugar I spoke about just a moment ago. Time for the lasagna noodles. You like that magic? I did. I'm so corny. So I'll go ahead and I add the pasta. I just go ahead and mix it into the sauce. Yes, I did add the pasta uncooked because as the pasta cook, it will absorb all of this amazing flavor. And I'm adding some chicken broth here. And as the video go on, you'll see me, add broth as it cooks, because as the pasta cooks, it absorbs some of the liquid, so you have to keep adding. Here's the tomato paste. It helps thicken the soup and keep that amazing tomato flavor. Here's some heavy whipping cream. This helps get that velvety, creamy taste in your soup. Guys, it's optional, but you do not want to leave this step out. It makes it so creamy and amazing. You just let it simmer. Look at it just simmer. All those flavors just merging together. Like, I'm hungry now. Yes. So let it simmer. Keep stirring periodically. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the shaved mozzarella cheese. At this point, the noodles is al dente, so I'm going to go ahead and start adding in some of my cheese. Yummy. Ugh. Guys, you won't be disappointed with this. It was so good. Now, this step is optional. I mixed some chicken broth in with a little bit of cornstarch. I didn't need it. I just went ahead and added it, but you can definitely leave that step out. It's up to you and your preference. I'm adding more chicken broth here. Here's the mozzarella and provolone shredded cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. You can use mozzarella, you can use white cheddar, you can use a mixture of whatever cheese you love. I didn't add a lot in the soup because at the end you will see that I would garnish the soup with cheese on top. Oh, guys, if you could smell this, if this was scratch and sniff television, oh my goodness. Yes. It's done, guys. Let's plate. Yummy. Ooh. There's my cheese. That's ricotta cheese and some fresh parsley. Let's eat. This is my niece. She loves it. It's kid approved.